Hey guys, welcome to our writing lesson today. It is going to be so different than what it usually is, and I have an assistant here with me to help me in just a second with our part that's different than what we usually do. So today for writing, we're going to be talking about something that's called a how-to writing or procedural writing. Whenever you're doing this, you're writing information, and we are going to be informing people. You're going to be a teacher just like Mrs. Tanner is. You're going to be a teacher. You can teach people, and so you're going to learn how you can do that. Okay, what I want you to do is, as I'm doing a science experiment, I want you to take notes, draw pictures of the things you're seeing, okay? You're going to look back at these to help you with the writing that we are going to be doing. So I want you to write down things like first, Mrs. Tanner did this, or next, or then she did this, or last she did this. So draw out some pictures as we're doing this science experiment so that you can remember how we did it, because you will be writing about it later. All right, so let's take a look now at our materials for our science experiment. So Huxley is here as my assistant. She's going to be helping me with getting our items and getting our science experiment to work. All right, so first thing first, we're going to show you all of our materials. We have a spoon here. We have a container that's underneath the spoon that has water inside of it. Right there, have water. Then we have 4 jars, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have different colored dye down here. We have 4 of those. And we have 4 white flowers. What we're going to do first, so first you're going to be drawing this, right, in your notes that you're taking on what's happening, because you're going to write about it later. So first, what we're going to do is pour the water into the jars. Okay, so Huxley is going to help me with holding the jar as Mrs. Tanner pours the water in. So Huxley's going to hold the jar nice and still while I pour the water into it. I'm going to fill it up about halfway. All right, we have to do the same thing with each of these jars. So she's going to hold each one as we pour the water in. Thank you, Huxley. All right, and our last one. Okay. Now, what we're going to do next is we are going to put drops of dye. Yes, you're going to. We're going to put drops of dye into each jar. Okay, so Huxley is going to take the dye and she's going to put it in one jar. She's doing green first, and she's going to count out 5 drops. So you did 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now she's going to stir that with the spoon. Give it a nice stir. All right, leave the spoon in there for a second while we put the drops in the next one. Okay, so there's red. She's going to do that in a different one now. She's going to drop 5 red ones. 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Okay, she's going to stir that up. Alright, that's great. Okay, now she's going to put yellow into the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Okay, stir that one up. Okay, and now she's going to do the blue in the last one. My favorite color.
And my favorite color.
Yeah, that's right.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect. Okay, now stirring that one up. Okay, while she's stirring that one up, what we're going to be doing is we are going to put a flower in each of these jars. I hope you've been taking notes and writing down the steps that we've been doing. So the next step that we're going to do is put one flower in each jar. What do you think is going to happen? Make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen?
Okay.
No, but you put it in this way. You don't put it in that way. What do you think is going to happen? Let's see. So Huxley's going to put one flower in each jar. Okay. Just going to put that flower in. Yellow flower. That one in the green.
I think it's going to change color.
You do? Is that what you predict? Do you think they're going to change colors?
That's what I think.
I don't know. I guess we will have to see. So think of your predictions, and we will come back in a little bit and show you what happens to these flowers. So make your predictions, write them down with your notes, and we will come back and show you in a little while what happened to each of these flowers and talk more about your how-to writing. All right, guys, we will see you back in just a little